We can't do without electricity, and yet it can kill or severely injure people and damage equipment. Contact with live parts will result in electric shocks and burns, and mains electricity can kill. If equipment is faulty, it could be a source of ignition in a potentially flammable or explosive atmosphere. Electrical equipment should only be used by people who are competent to operate it. Work on electrical equipment and systems should be covered by company safety procedures, and a permit to work should be issued when required. Before every job, a thorough risk assessment is essential. In wet conditions, for example, electric welding is dangerous, and any unsuitable equipment can become live and actually make the surrounding area live too. Extension leads and portable equipment cabling are easily damaged, and if an electrical fault develops when you're working in a confined space, it could be difficult to avoid a shock. Once the risks have been identified, they should be reduced. Is it possible, for example, to do the job using different equipment? Perhaps air, battery, hydraulic or hand-powered? Or perhaps using low-voltage equipment? If not, and you have to use mains voltage, make sure a residual current device or earth leakage trip device is fitted. Before using any electrical equipment and cabling, make sure that it's not damaged and that it's safe to use. If it is damaged, don't use it. Make sure it's labelled as faulty and can't be used, and report it to the electrician. Don't overload sockets by using multi-socket adapters or extensions. And before you clean or make adjustments to any electrical equipment, check that it's unplugged and fully discharged. If you're working in an atmosphere which is potentially flammable, only use the appropriate certified equipment. Finally, when you're isolating electrical equipment, use lockout or tag out. Are you prepared?